today I'm going to do a marbleizing technique. To do that, I'm going to use some shaving cream. I have some spatulas. I have a container. I have some various dyes. And a 100% cotton t-shirt. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I have a container. You can either use a container or you could use a plastic table cover and just spread it out right on there. I'm going to try and keep it a little bit contained. So I'm going to empty out this shaving cream into here. Yeah. I mean, if it doesn't work, at least it's fun to do that, right? Okay, here goes. Oh my god. Alrighty. A tiny bit of water. Okay. Now I'm going to mix it. Just trying to make it like a whipped cream consistency, you know? So here we go. We're going to pick our colors. I picked some galaxy style colors. I thought that would be fun to do. Oh my gosh, it's messy. Okay. Ooh, that's kind of fun. This is very easy. I don't know exactly how it's going to turn out, but that's kind of exciting that way. I ended up getting this one spot over there. I don't know what that's going to do. We'll see. Lastly, some pink. That should be interesting. Oh, so bright. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my little spatulas and I'm going to start running it through there to create some marbleized lines or patterns, right? Oh, this is crazy. It's blending, it's doing weird things. Woo. That got really funky. I really have no idea how it's gonna look, and I'm just pretty excited about that. Alright. So now I'm gonna start putting pieces of shirt in there. It's gonna get crazy because I don't have enough space to do all the shirt in here, so I'm gonna have to do parts of it, and it's gonna get really, really messy. So I'm gonna take this out. And I'm gonna put the finished parts of the shirt into this one. Oops, that's where we're at. Okay, here it goes. You can only do little parts at a time. Here, maybe the top side. So I'm pressing it in so it pushes up against it, right? Any part that isn't touching the cream will not get anything on it. And when I peel it back, it's gonna look crazy. I'm gonna get the edge of that sleeve real quick. Okay, look at how it's looking so far. Okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna put the other part of the shirt in there on this side. I don't know. I might have to add more dye to it. We'll see how this goes. I'm not really sure how it works when you use a shirt that doesn't fit in here. It feels so weird and squishy. Oh my god, look at that. It's weird. So crazy. Whew! It is getting a little whiter. I might have to add a little bit more. That part. Oh, this is so weird. I think I'm going to have to add more dye. Okay. I kept putting it into the shaving cream mixture until like in sections until I covered the whole shirt on the front and the back. And I'm going to show you. It's so messy. The whole thing is covered in shaving cream. As you pull it out, this side shows it better, but as you pull it out, it creates like these, I don't know, it kind of suctions the shaving cream and it creates like these patterns. So the whole thing is now covered. Here it is. Now it's time to let it sit. I'm going to let it sit for like 24 hours just to make sure it really gets in there good. Try to go back over any white spots. I see a few more. You could just like push a little dye on there, leave it. I mean, there's going to be white spots anyways, so I probably shouldn't worry about it too much. White is going to be part of it. Okay. Well, nothing left to do except wait and see what it looks like tomorrow. Alrighty, it's been washed a lot. Had to get all that shaving cream off there. It's been dried and ready for the reveal. Okay, rinsed, washed, dried, here we go. Check this out. It has like this really cool marbleized look. Even though it's been washed, it still smells a little bit like shaving cream. It might take a few washes to get rid of that. Okay, here's the back. Check that out. Alrighty, well thank you for watching. If you like this video, click like, hit subscribe, and check back for some more cool tie-dye designs. Thank you for watching!